Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 25th of June. Scorpio, I'm waiting on my baby. He might be gone from my side for a while, but I'm not cheating. Na 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 na, I'm waiting on my baby. No matter how them try to get me time, no one else give me better loving. Okay, all right. So I'm getting Scorpio. You're waiting on your baby. He may be gone from your side from a while, but you're not cheating. Yeah, these can get your attention, Scorpio. And I feel like it is so disrespectful to know that you decided to choose your own partner, and then a man thinks him can flirt you out of being with you. The man, I would have asked this. He thought that you were that easy. No, you may on the first night, Scorpio. This may be true, but what we're not going to do is spread the rumor that a man can take you away from your man. Easy no blood clots. You think him can use bag and take you away? Him want to use a yacht and take you away from your man. Him can't get you so. What kind of woman would you be if your man thinks that him can approach you knowing you have a man and take you away from him? Unless you're a fucking cheater. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio. Let's go. I'm getting your waiting. And your baby. Okay? You're just waiting. You're just waiting. You don't know where the fuck he is. You don't know when he's coming back, but you're fucking waiting. We got celebrity. Okay, Scorpio, I'm getting you're a celebrity. All right. So I'm getting maybe a, I don't know, maybe a some. I'm getting you're not with your love and you're waiting on them. Okay. Worst if you're in the public eye, right? Next thing you hear, say, yeah man, you know that celebrity, yeah? Yeah man, you know, so I'm take her away easy. Yeah man, just bring her up and I see that she give me the pussy and fuck on her man. No, listen to me. You guys can call me anything, but what you can't call me is a cheater. You guys can never call me a fucking cheater. You can never, ever, ever, ever call me that. The fuck? We got program. I'm getting somebody, I'm getting, I don't know if somebody deliberately staying away from you to see if you're gonna cheat. Or I'm getting, I don't know, program celebrity. I feel like something is staged. Come visit me, yeah. Somebody want you to come over their house and you have a man. Oh, that's gonna work. You better call your man and tell it. Call your man and ask. Call your girlfriend and ask your girlfriend, honey, my friend, this is the girl want me to come over her house. Can I go? And you just said to him, no problem, sweetie, you can go. I'm gonna go over my male friend house and see how I react, right? The fuck you doing? You should. Huh? No, but you hesitated. No, I didn't hesitate. I shouldn't have been a question, right? I don't know if somebody's trying to say, "Oh, I was drunk. I cheated. I'm so sorry. I was drunk." Well, why you allow yourself to get that drunk? You know, saying your cocky don't have control. You know, you don't have any control of your vagina walls, and you allowed yourself to get that drunk round somebody you know you liked, right? And know you and them have sex. And if you're telling me that you never liked the person, but you just fuck them, that is even worse, right, Scorpio? Yeah, fuck them all, right? So I don't know who I try to convince you that cheating is okay. They use the condom so it never count. Them still love you, so them just need you to know that them a come home to you. Man, it's fucking cheating that bitch out of here. What the fuck, Scorpio? You don't roll that way. Yeah, recording devices. And remember, people, in order for someone to be considered a cheater, you have to be in a relationship with them. A message from Draconium. And we have cuddle. Yeah. See, watch the blood. Watch it. I didn't cheat, baby. I was just cuddling with her. I didn't kiss her. I was just cuddling with her. I didn't kiss her, I swear. I was just cuddling with her. Well, pack your fucking bags, because might as well you live with her. And underrated. Yeah. Someone wants to make you look like a jealous person because of the fact that them can't keep them dick in them pants, Scorpio. You can keep your walls tight, but them can't keep them dick in them pants. And them want to say you're a cheater, whatever that means. We have the Seven of Pentacles, we have the Ace of Pentacles, we have the Ten of Swords, and we have the Ten of. So we have 10 here. So I'm getting you all leave. No, no, I'm getting you have a family or you're married already. I'm getting somebody a cheat. I'm getting something like somebody come to you and say, I can have your girlfriend for this amount of money. Give me one, or you know the things that them always say, if you would have cheated on your boyfriend for $10,000, would you cheat on your girlfriend for $10,000, something like that? So you think somebody take the bait, or somebody took it? Now, me not know how you feel as a man knowing a girl would have fuck another man for 10 grand and then come back in your arms and say, honey, we're going to spend the money together. It's just sex. I don't know how you feel if you're a girl and your man say, yeah, man, I have to fuck that girl for some money. With everything all right. Me getting you don't want a Scorpio. Me getting a married when come to a close or a ending. I'm getting somebody cheat on you, somebody betray you. Now maybe somebody has said, but we needed the money. We needed the money. Work was slow. When we didn't meet a woman and she liked me, so I just pretend to play. Yeah, we just pretend right. I literally split the deck. I just pretended to be interested in her, forget what I needed. But me getting you sell your soul. That's how the devil know if you sell your soul or not. Would you trade money for love? Would you trade love for money? That's how the devil get you. I'm fucking tired. Okay, I work every day. I don't even have time for my dating life. Nothing, right? Remember when Cardi B used to cry and so she had no time for nothing. I know when she did make time for her cheating ass boyfriend. Look what the fuck he did. It's okay. She got a beautiful gift from that relationship. Mommy is that alcohol. Is that alcohol, mommy? Oh my god, she's so our daughter sweet. What our daughter name? And you notice how Cardi B dress our daughter? Our daughter don't look like some of them celebrity daughter here. Our daughter look like the most average kid. Cardi B are your mama, right? Cardi B the stripper is your mom. Cardi B is like that ain't how it okay. The men like you are the men I be talking about, okay? You gotta get what you can from these niggas, okay? I don't know what you talking about. No. Look what you give Amina and Tara. Babies. No, that's not it. Do you pay both of their rents? We do. He plays his part. What do you say, Amina? He plays his part. No. Mm-mm. You see, the men like you is men I'm talking about. Okay, you gotta get what you can from these niggas. Okay, I don't know which one of your blood shots leak into your system, but you're being mad disrespectful right now. Well, thank God none of your blood is in my system, because I'll be damned, right? If you saw our daughter look the most, just so, me say her graduate, she was graduating. What her daughter name? I don't remember what her daughter name was. Her daughter that graduated, and she looked so cute. She looked so sweet. And she act just like her mother. Same attitude, same thing, right? So I'm getting, yeah, somebody cheat on you, or somebody say them need to be relevant again. So basically, them have to fuck somebody. I'm getting somebody get paid for betray you. You had two kids and a family, and them still give it up, right? For bitches. They gave it up for fucking bitches. So you better give him up. You know your man cheat on you, you're allowing him to lay down on the same bed with you again. You know your man cheat on you and your blood clot under their coke. So you're desperate for love. No, listen, maybe you grew up in a different time. Now I am a millennial baby, right? So yeah, we don't take shit from nobody. We don't care for our man, we don't care for our family, we don't blood clot care for our parole officer. I don't have a parole officer. But still, we don't give a fuck, right? Only think Gen Z did bad. Who you think is Gen Z parents? Are millennials. You never know that? Millennials are Gen Z parents. That's why them some blood clots, them don't give a fuck. And them parents that teach them from early. Do this way, and if a person said this to you, you do this, right? Gen Z never grow themselves, and the millennials, them are the baby people them from 1980s to 1996, right? That's all. I mean, a 1993 baby, allegedly. A 1993 baby, right? We have the Three of Pentacles, we have the Queen of Cups, we have the Wheel of Fortune, and we have the Three of Wands. You're getting somebody mother don't like you. My mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going